Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 98 Nissan Frontier. This is the two-wheel drive version and it needs a bunch of service. I just have replaced the front shocks with those beautiful Monroes, and as you can see I have also rear shocks ready. This is the new front one, right? Beautiful. All of them were shot. The truck was driving like a boat. Anytime you turn the corner, it was rocking like the boat, like this, right? Anytime you went on the bump, it keeps bumping like that. It was unbelievable. So let's go and look together how we can deal with the rear shocks. Hopefully it'll be pretty easy. So basically what I gotta do is remove that one nut which is up there, right, with all those bushings and washers, and the same here on the bottom, right? Nut, slide it off and install the new one. So let's see if it's so easy. Looks it's the same size of the tool like on the front, number 17. Go, the nut is off. And also the top nut is a number 17. Now comes the moment when we will find out if you need to support the axle and lift it a little bit higher, right? In order to remove this shock. So let's try. I will try first without bringing anything. If it will go off. Let's see. Now look, you don't have to have any tool to support it and the shock will go off. Here is new Monroe shock, and the only hardware which came are these tubes, probably adapters they thought, for the thinner mounts. But this one will actually perfectly work without that adapter. So I will be, unfortunately, reusing my hardware. The thicker part goes up, right? So I'm going to install it there. It's nice. And I should be able, the same way, install it. Unfortunately, with a little bit of support of the axle, I was able to slip it on. So I will reuse this hardware as I said, but since I'm reusing the nuts, I will make sure I will put a blue thread locker, right, on the thread so the nut is not falling off. This is the one which I like to use. And I will use my torque wrench to torque these nuts to the 80 Newton meters. Perfect. And now I have perfectly installed shock on this side. I can go ahead and replace the other one. My friend, I hope you enjoyed this simple video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumb up and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later.